got to go down. I'm not going down all those stairs. You can forget about that, darling. Where's your mum? Can't see your mum. I was going to wave at your mum. Look, there goes the other lift. See, just think how high we are up now, kids. Right, you two, can you come up this end a minute? Come up this end a minute.
I want to see if we go down.
Yeah, you can do in a minute. See, look, can we look out the window? Look, see how high up we are there.
There you go.
Right, Owen.